Ever found yourself staring at your phone, needing urgent help with your Neon bank account, but completely lost on how to actually reach someone? You're not alone. We've all been there, that frustrating moment when a simple question turns into an online maze of FAQ pages and automated bots. You need a real person, a solution, and fast. Today, we're cutting through the digital noise and getting straight to the point. What is the Neon Bank customer service number? Because let's face it, when your money's involved, time is of the essence. Neon Bank, like many modern digital banks, prioritizes online support through their app and website. This often leads to confusion about direct phone lines. However, that doesn't mean they're completely unreachable via phone. It just means the process is a bit more nuanced. First, it's important to understand why digital banks often lean heavily on digital support channels. These channels allow for faster, more efficient handling of common issues, freeing up resources for more complex problems. Think about it. Resetting a password or checking a transaction history can often be resolved quicker through automated systems or in-app chat. But when you're dealing with fraud, account lockouts, or other urgent matters, you need to talk to someone. So, here's the crucial information you're looking for. Neon Bank, generally, directs its customers to their in-app chat support first. This is their primary channel for handling queries. You'll find this within the Neon app itself, usually accessible through a help or support section. However, for those situations requiring direct phone contact, Neon Bank does provide phone support, especially for urgent issues. It's important to note that the phone number provided and the method of reaching it may vary depending on your specific region or the type of issue you're facing. To get the most accurate and up-to-date phone number, it's always best to check within your Neon Bank app or on their official website. Look for a Contact Us or Help section. In many cases, they will provide a phone number or a method to request a callback if needed. Additionally, if you are a premium or business customer, you may have access to dedicated phone support lines. Checking your account details or contacting support via the in-app chat is the best way to confirm this. Remember, digital banks are constantly updating their support systems. What's true today might change tomorrow. Therefore, always refer to the official Neon Bank resources for the most current information. Don't hesitate to use the in-app chat to request phone support if you need it. They will guide you through the process and provide you with the correct phone number if your situation warrants it. In short, while Neon Bank emphasizes digital support, phone assistance is available, particularly for urgent matters. Check your app and website for the most accurate and up-to-date contact information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.